Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we have been working in a pretty awesome Audi TTS. We've done quite a few different bits to it, but this video is all about the hill hold assist. So the car came to us with just the electronic handbrake and just a blank here, and we have retrofitted it. So I'm just going to quickly go over how it all works in this specific car. It's not a how-to or anything like that. It's literally just to show you that it is possible and how it works after it's been installed. So first and foremost, the hill hold assist function won't work until your seat belt is on and the engine is running. So we're just going to quickly start up. So car's all nice and lovely started up, and the start stop we've turned off. That's why it's come up. So we turn it back on again, and as you can see, we've got the P button here, and also our parking brake is illuminated, and also the automatic hill hold is turned off and then on again. Right, so we're going to disengage the electronic parking brake. The parking brake light goes out, and we're just going to quickly drop it into drive and just very quickly creep forward. I'm then going to put my foot on the brake, and then I've let go. So no feet, parking brake, and the electronic handbrake is off. I'm just going to ever so slightly tap the accelerator, and you'll see the green light go out. There you go, and then it's trying to hold itself. Foot on the brake again, and then the green P comes on. So I'm just going to pop it in reverse just so I can go back on the ramp. There you go. Okay, so another great feature about the hill hold assist button, that once it's done, it will automatically go into the green P. But also, if you turn the engine off, we haven't put the parking brake on. As soon as you turn the engine off, parking brake activates, red P, and then you just get out of the car. So you don't have to even bother putting the handbrake anymore, because the automatic hill hold assist, once it's all coded in and working correctly, will do that all automatically for you. So if you've got an Audi TT Mark III on the 8S, or an A3 8V, A4, A5, Q5 on the newer shaped ones, we can retrofit the hill hold assist for you. All you need to do is just get in touch with us. The web address is www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and as always, thanks for watching.